back to our new Police vs. Bikers episode. In this episode you will see some of the angry and some cool cops. We hope that you will like it. So, sit back and enjoy. Let's start.
The Aprilia is wunderbar. God. Oh boy. Why? Why are they messing with us? What do we do? Another ticket. Okay, let's see what goes down here. What did we do?
60 to 35. 25 on other. Alright, give me just a second. Alright, gentlemen. You have your registration on you? I know I got it. Does everybody have the registration on?
I got that too. I'm a vet.
Okay. I'm a vet as well.
Okay.
Alright guys, we're going to give you a heads up, okay? A lot of motorcycle complaints for speed. Alright, a lot of sports car complaints for speed. Okay, I understand these things can run a lot faster than that, but the thing is, if you want to do those speeds, you need to take them to a track. Y'all just hang tight. It's going to take me just a second, okay? Okay. And we'll help y'all out, because y'all stop.
I wasn't sure if the lights were for us, because I didn't feel like we were going that fast, but I was going to, I'm not going to make him chase me at me. I was pulling over.
Yeah, I checked. One of y'all was running 63, and I think it was you, because you was catching back up to the pack. Yeah, because you were lagging behind, and then you started catching up to him. So I locked in a 59, so I got a 60, a 59, and a 63 is what I locked in.
I'll take the 59.
Well, this is what I'm going to do, okay? Too fast for conditions, no points in your license, it's low to go. So I'm going to go ahead and give you all that heads up. It doesn't report to your insurance company and stuff like that. But 60 to 35, 59 to 35, even 54 and a 35 is all points on your license. Okay? So I'm going to help y'all out since y'all are being good, but unfortunately I'm out here for this reason. So I kind of have to.
Okay. Fair enough.
Y'all just sit tight.
Thank you. All right.
Alright, so this is what we're doing, okay? This is what I did for all y'all. Drop you back down to 48 and a 35 to ensure that no points get assessed to your license, okay? Alright, so, need your signature right here, sign admission of guilt, Hey, my thing is, as long as y'all stop, I can work with y'all. My worst fear is somebody's going to run and get into...
people run or stop?
We've had them run before, and these roads are notorious for taking out vehicles. Y'all just be safe out here, okay?
Okay. And we'll tell a friend, don't worry.
Alright, well yeah, thank you. They're talking about getting the helicopter back up here. So what we'll do is we'll set up a road check on each side of the mountain. There's no escape. They'll be up in the air, they'll watch the violation, check the speed, all that stuff, and then you run right into a road check. No escape, got you on the side of the road. And at that point, you will get whatever it is. Like, y'all be safe, enjoy the rest of your day.
That's a cop. Yeah, he's turning around. We'll pull in here. Here. Oopsie. What's up?
Use your driver's license insurance.
It's in my back pocket. My insurance.
What are you popping wheelies for?
Man, we're just coming home. Road was open. Just having fun.
Here's what we're gonna do today, okay? I'm cutting you a huge break. Alright. I'm gonna write you a warning for the excessive acceleration for you popping a wheelie. You've been cool with me, you guys actually stopped, which is not as common as you would think. Yeah. You've only got like one thing on your driving history. The one thing I am gonna issue a citation for though, is your tag's expired.
Yeah.
Your tag's expired, so it's 6 months expired. State law says anything 90 days or more expired, I'm supposed to impound your motorcycle protects you in the state. Not going to do that to you today, okay? So I am going to issue the citation for the expired tag. Okay. Fine amount is $170. You have until October 5th, 2021 at 9 a.m. to have that paid. Until your court date. The good news is, on the back, I have it squared off where it says license plate citation. You go get your tag updated, show up to your court date, show the proof that you got it updated. They'll dismiss the ticket, just charge your court cost, which is only like 50 or 60 bucks. So rather than a $300 ticket, you're getting $60 if you get it fixed, okay? And your signature here on the X, there's a pin there. By signing, you're not admitting guilt. You're saying that you're gonna show up for more pin.
How fast did it go?
It wasn't the speed, it was the wheelie. Usually with that just falls under the excessive acceleration. You kind of have to.
Damn, that sucks. Mine are slow. I think I was set on a speed limit.
Well, it's still considered. It could even be considered reckless driving to be doing the wheelies because you're putting yourself and others in risk. But man, keep it on the track, okay? All right, there's that back where you guys have a better night, okay? All right.
Clocking me at? 80. Okay, so my speedometer is right. I thought it was off by about 10 miles.
Yeah, no, you're good.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
All right, see ya.
All right, see ya.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be.
What did it do? Just shut up on it?
Yeah. I think I'm good now. Other than one idle, but I should be able to get it home.
Alright.
Should be.
Well, it happens. I seen you guys pulled over here. We'll make sure everything's okay. Make sure you didn't crash or something.
Yeah.
Where's your plate out on your bike here, bub?
I just got it. I know. Dear God, please don't impound it.
I mean, you got a driver's license on you?
Yes, sir.
Do me a favor and go and throw your kickstand down there for a minute.
Yep, I can do that.
I mean, you can cause me no problems. I won't cause you no problems.
But do you want me to on or off the bike?
Yeah, it don't matter. You can just lean on right there. You're good.
I remember this guy. He's pretty nice.
I was gonna say you're being entirely too calm for me to care too much.
There's the license and then there's the permit. I just got this bike. I have two. My other one is good to go, fully insured. I was taking this on a test drive, which I know I shouldn't have been doing that.
Not without a plate.
But I do plan on going and getting it all legal.
Did you get it from a dealer or did you buy it off somebody private?
Offline. This is a Chinese bike. This one came from California. This is a Honda Grom.
So you put it together and then.
Correct.
So does it have even does it have a title yet?
It has a manufacturer certificate or origin. You take that to the DMV.
So there's no title.
No, but you take that to the DMV, then they get you your title.
Oh, I know how it works. There's no title to it. I'm assuming this one's legal, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the same thing. I mean, it's
looks like
not the
a
same bike.
It looks like a dirt bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Chinese bikes have come a long way.
Yeah, I mean.
This one.
Sacred stuff. That was just like, is it a little bit older?
That's a
What year is this
2019.
one? I bought this one from him. They're gonna think I got pulled over. That was my mom and dad.
Oh, was it really?
Yeah.
Are you Jason?
Jason. Jacob.
Jacob. I don't know why I said Jason.
You want to see my ID too?
I do.
Okay.
But I'm just trying to look here. It'll take me just a second here.
Oh, you're fine, buddy. You go ahead and take your time.
He does have a CCW.
I do not have my gun on me.
What's that?
I do not have my gun on me.
But I'm seriously not that worried about it, to be honest with you. I'm a pretty pro gun guy. I don't worry about people carrying a gun. I mean, unless you're gonna pull it out on me.
Right.
Especially if you didn't have it. A lot of people forget when they don't have it. They don't think, well, I don't have it. I don't tell them.
Right.
I think people that pull guns out on officers are dumber than
Well, I can't say as I don't agree 100 wholeheartedly.
Yeah.
So they're telling me that you don't have a driver's license at all.
Oh, I don't have a driver's license. I have a permit.
Yeah, I'm going to check. I got to run this real quick. It's going to take me just a minute.
Okay.
Because they didn't say anything about a motorcycle endorsement on there either. Usually your permit should pop up on the screen.
All right.
It should tell me you got a motorcycle permit. They're also not telling me about your motorcycle permit, but you may have one. They just may not look at it.
Yeah.
Are they both still valid?
Yeah.
I mean, they say they're valid, but I mean, be honest
year.
with me. Like, are they really valid?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, I'm good with it. They are.
Right.
Give me just a second, buddy.
Yeah, so I do all my stuff right here in town.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got mine this
get it.
year.
Sometimes things don't get put on the computer.
I got you.
No, the homie Ruben, bro. Not him. Oh. Yeah?
I don't have my license here.
Oh, that's true, huh? Do you know where the meet's at?
Yeah.
Should we just leave him and I follow you?
In about 5 minutes, because their KTM's up at 9.
Gotcha.
Oh, what the f?
What happened?
We're 9 minutes away.
Put directions?
Just straight.
Oh, just straight up? Alright, I'm gonna go take it. I mean, yeah. I don't know what to do about him, but you think he'll meet us over there? Because it's also not good for you to be here with no license. Oh, check that out. Oh no. This is not good. We should have kept going.
Any weapons or anything on you guys?
Nope.
No weapons? Mind if I patch you out real quick?
Yeah, go
Mind if I patch
for
some
it.
weapons underneath first? Put your hands on your back like you're clapping. Put your palms together. How old are you?
22.
22, nice. Where you guys headed tonight?
Just to go get some tacos.
Get some tacos?
Yeah.
The reason why we're talking for legal park stop stand, okay?
What was that?
The reason why we're talking is for a legal park stop stand. You can't just park your bike in the middle of the road.
Oh no, it's because since he got pulled over, we just pulled over with
No,
him.
I get it, but you still can't just park your bike in the middle of the road. You know what I mean? Is this your bike up here?
Gotcha. Yeah, this is my bike.
Come up here with me. Okay. I get they're getting pulled over, right? But it's a legal park stop stand still.
Yeah.
All right, and then you run through the construction site as well.
Oh, gotcha.
All right, so you can't just, I get your buddy's getting pulled over, but it doesn't mean you can just plop your bike in the middle of eastbound Sahara. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I
Okay.
gotcha.
So that's why I'm talking to you. All
Okay.
right. Do you have a license, registration, insurance?
Yes, I do.
No weapons on you, right?
Nope.
Okay.
Let's see, is this one?
Thanks, sir. Do you have a Class M?
Yes.
You do? Okay. What kind of bike you ride?
FZ07.
Oh, I don't know what that is.
Oh, is this bike right here? What happened?
I think they're gonna tell me.
They're gonna tell you? Not even a warning or anything? What the f? You got the insurance and everything at least?
Have a seat, bro. Oh, can I speak? Yeah, you can speak on the ground. Have a seat. It's just hurting my eyes, flashing. Can I sit somewhere where they're not in my face? No, right here's fine. Close your eyes.
What?
You guys have a supervisor? You want him? Yeah, he's right here. May I go speak to him? Oh, you can sit there. I'll call him over here.
Me? They're being out here.
Your license?
Alright.
Get a citation for legal park stop stand. Okay?
For legal parking?
Yes, you can't just park your bike in the middle of eastbound traffic of Sahara. Alright?
For pulling over when he got pulled over too?
You can't park your bike in the middle of eastbound Sahara. This is prohibited parking. You can't just park in the middle of eastbound travel lanes of Sahara.
Mm-hmm.
Does that make sense?
Sure.
I'm not writing you a ticket for riding through the construction.
Yeah.
Because technically I can do that as well.
Alright.
Okay? Because you're not obeying all traffic.
We came to the end of this episode. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe if you haven't yet. We read your comments, so make sure to comment down below if you want us to do more of these videos. New merch is added on our store, so feel free to check it out. See you in the next episode. Till then, ride safe.